My name is Ari Jumpponen and I am a professor in biology.
My name is Joe Sanchez. I'm an environmental science student, a senior this year.
I think I was lucky because I had 3 students at the same time contact me and I'm like, well, I have a thing that I'm curious about. How would you feel about working on this? That's how the Mushroom Bois ended up being a thing.
And the spelling, B-O-I-S, pretty much, it's just for fun. Like we're all just the boys, you know, working on fungi and yeah.
Today we have the Mushroom Bois working on toxicists. Those are neurotoxins that oyster mushroom produce, and they do that to paralyze their insect prey so that they can eat the larvae or worms from inside out.
So we're taking them and putting them in the middle of the culture and timing them, how long it takes for them to be paralyzed, and it shows like the amount of density of the toxicists within the fungi.
We don't think about them producing neurotoxins necessarily or eating insects that much either. And it's a like really interesting biological concept to think about.
For me, fungus is cool because it's weird. It's something that I have no idea about, and it's just cool to be able to explore about it.
Having students have tangible experiences in the classroom that will stick to them for life, that kind of is why we're doing this right now.